Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to verify your YouTube account in 2025 step by step. So, if you want to unlock more YouTube features like custom thumbnails, live streaming and longer videos, you need to verify your YouTube account. In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to verify your YouTube account in 2025. Quickly, let's get started. So, step 1 is opening YouTube settings. Simply open any browser on your PC. Then navigate to youtube.com and log in using your user credentials. After logging in, you will see this page, that is YouTube's dashboard. Click on your profile icon at the top right of the screen on YouTube's dashboard. It will show up these options where you'll have to click on YouTube Studio button. Now, this will take you to your channel's dashboard where you'll see that you have your tools available at the left corner of the screen. Now, click on settings icon at the bottom left and this is going to show up this pop-up where you'll have to click on channel option. Now, navigate to feature eligibility on this page and this will show up these options. Now, under standard features, you'll have to click on this button and you will see a verify now button right here under requirements. So as you can see, I have already enabled it. So as you can see, this says standard features. So if your channel will be free of active community guidelines strike, then it will show enabled just right here. Now under intermediate features, find the phone verification and click verify phone number. So my phone number has already been verified. That's why I'm seeing this tick icon. So you'll have to click on the phone verification button that you will see here. If it will be pending, then click verify phone number. Choose your country on the next page, select whether you want to receive a text message, SMS or a voice call, then enter your phone number and click send code. Now check your phone for a 6-digit verification code from YouTube, enter the code into the verification box and click submit. And if you entered it correctly, you will see a confirmation message that your account is now verified. Now step 4 is enjoying the verified features. Once you're verified, you can now upload videos longer than 15 minutes, you can use custom thumbnails, enable live streaming and appeal monetization issues. Now you will also see a section that says advanced features. So you can increase daily video uploads and live streams and eligibility to apply for monetization in this section. So if you want to access this feature, click on access feature and the requirements for these features are video verification, valid ID and channel history. And you will get these features if you access this feature. So click on access feature button here and how do you want to verify this account? You can take a photo of your ID, take a 6-second video of yourself or build history as you grow. So I will choose take a photo of your ID and click on next. Now click on get email and this will send an email to your mobile phone where you'll have to follow the prompts, provide your documents and you will be successfully verified on YouTube. And that's it. That's how you verify yourself on YouTube in 2025. If this video helped, drop a like, subscribe and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.